Hey YouTube, it's Big Ford Guy here again. Figured I'd up to date on a few things. I haven't been making too many videos, trying to get everything done. Um, the Lincoln I sold, that 68 Mercury I sold. We're at the shop right now doing a few things. Daryl and guys. Got some body work, try to update on it, like I said, a few things. So this is what we got going on. We got two things going on. There's the 72, which I've been working on a long time. It's just because I have been so busy here. We've both been. I put some glass, I straightened it, very little glass, because it rippled a little bit when I welded it. So we're working on that, and doing it over there. As you can see, I'm doing another 68 Galaxie, which we took on. Somebody else started it. They hacked up to the side, but we just did this. Put a new quarter in it. This one's a 68 Galaxie, like my red one, but I sold the red one, so they did all that. The car was pretty rough. We cut all this old stuff out, put the doors, bottoms of the doors on, and the biggest thing was this. Right up here in the hood. It's out of the way. That hood scoop, they did it, but they didn't match it in. We had to, all they did was took and put rivets all around it, tons of rivets. And me personally, I'd probably use maybe 8 down this side, 8 down the other side. But this car, what I wanted to show you was they started it, and the other side's really hicked up. But that's that. That's a 68. Let me show you a look on the inside. See the side of it. We're doing a full restoration on this one. Got Frank over here welding, but that's the car. The back so you can see the whole car. And I'll show you some over here that we are fixing now. Hold up a minute, Frank. Got them welding. We're refixing this. As you can see, they tried to do it before. There, it's all uneven, all the way down through. They tortured it. They cut it too high there. We're just trying to straighten it and get it the best we can. We had to take it off, as you can see down here. But this is not us. This is what the other people did to it. They cut it like that. We're trying to get it all done to fix it for them. But like I said, we did the quarter on the other side. He's trying to straighten that all out now. We had to fix all in here, all in there. They had all bent up the wrong way. I mean, this side we did. They didn't touch this side. That's why we're done so quick on this side. We did this side. This is the side we did. How you see everything looks good. Everything's nice and level right up to the door jambs. I mean, but that's the next thing I'm working on. I mean, we've just been real busy. I forgot about the Mercury Cyclone. We'll do a video on that. And we'll get some cold starts coming soon. These are the two we're doing body work on now, and we just slowed down today, so we're working at the shop. There's Daryl over there on his phone. Yeah. So right now we're just trying to get that side all straightened out. Once we get that side straightened out, a little bit of straightening. Might take the fender off. The fender's not lined up with the door at all, so we're gonna have to take this off. Right here. But yeah, that's what we've been doing. Try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. Like I said, I'm fairly new at this yet, so there's the front of it. There's a scoop we had to fix and make it look like it was right into the hood. We had to make all that line right there. We had to blend it in with the hood. I don't know if you can see the front of that car, but that's it. And there it is from this side. This is Big Ford guy saying, see you on my next video.